Your feet don't eat, and mine smooth. You do that, perro.
All right, just 800 right here.
800?
Oh, no, hell no.
That's a race.
That's all right. Huh? Ice house.
Ice house? How much?
By how much?
That's his money. If it's ice house.
6 bikes.
Who?
Ice
Ice
house.
house.
Ice house.
Ice house.
Ice house.
Where that bread at?
Got you.
Ain't gonna be me. Ain't gonna be me. Ain't gonna be me.
And I told him to bag up out of it, just, you know, to make it look good for him. You heard me? You know how I do this. You know how I do this, Day. I told him to bag up out of it. You know what I'm saying?
I'll take that challenge, you know what I'm saying? Most Wanted took that challenge.
You got,
Can
you
I
got,
know
you
who
got
won,
some
though?
heart, you know.
It's medicated though.
You know what I'm saying? You got more heart than most of them.
All day.
Yeah. Yeah.
What that at though? What that at? What that at though? What that at?
Derek!
Hey, bring that same bike next week. Woody said he ain't coming back.
Yeah.
Or we can do it tomorrow or whatever the fuck.
Okay.
We'll race that bike for the same 2,000.
Okay. Follow your boy on IH Racing. Minute drag bike and IH, the dream team. We didn't take the belt home today, but we took the money, some of this money home. I told you I was gonna get a grudge race and do this thing out here tonight. Told y'all.